Good afternoon, Rutgers. I'm WeatherWacther Alex Fonseca here with your Thursday afternoon forecast. And let's jump right into the headlines for the week. We're tracking some clouds moving into the area today associated with a disturbance moving across the Midwest, bringing some light snowfall for those areas, but that will break down as it heads into our area. Cold air continues for the next couple days. It has been lingering, and it will continue to linger until we head into the later part of the month. So it will be a cold December for us, and a big storm system to the south that we'll be tracking. As I mentioned yesterday, we weren't really sure what was going to happen with it, but the likelihood is increasing that it does stay to the south of us. That high pressure to the north is just too strong, and it looks like it will be suppressed and stay out to sea. We'll be seeing a high temperature, our current temperature today of 38 degrees in New Brunswick with a dew point of 20 degrees, humidity of 49% with mostly cloudy skies. Here's our current temperatures for the entire state of New Jersey. We have 37 degrees in Sussex, 40 in Newark, 33 here in Somerville. I think that 33 is an off reading. It's definitely warmer than that. 40 degrees in Toms River, and as we head down to Atlantic City, they're at 39 degrees. Tonight, low temperatures across the entire area, very cold, upper 20s and low 30s. 27 in Sussex, 30 here in East Brunswick, and as we head down to Wildwood, they're at a warm 35 degrees. Heading out to the greater Northeast, we have Oneonta sitting at a low of 23 degrees tonight, Poughkeepsie 27, Hartford at 29. We have Boston coming in at 32 degrees. As we head all the way south into Baltimore, they're going to see a low temperature of 30 degrees tonight. So our national satellite radar, there's a lot of things going on. First, I mentioned this disturbance moving across the Midwest. That's bringing nothing but some light snow showers, some light accumulation. My main concern is this low pressure that's just moved onshore across parts of Southern California. As I mentioned yesterday, models won't get a good depiction of what happens with next week's storm until this storm moves onshore. Now that it has, we'll be getting a better idea of what's going to happen with next week's storm. But first, you can see the low pressure spinning off the coast of Southern California, bringing in very heavy rain to Los Angeles, Malibu area, where they saw those destructive fires a couple weeks ago. So this is some good news for them, even though it will cause a bit of a flood risk for them. Mountain snows also, and notice Baja California. Look at that stripe of very heavy rain moving out into parts of New Mexico. That is Pacific moisture just getting driven right into the southwest United States, which is why this storm system will be very moisture oriented. First, let's take a look into our disturbance that I mentioned before, moving across parts of the Midwest. St. Louis is seeing some rain right now. They're seeing a mix. Parts of central Illinois and Indiana, they're seeing a good couple of snowfall. You can see those brighter blues moving across the region. That's some heavier snow, so maybe a quick 2 or 3 inches for those folks as we head out throughout the day. Here in our area, like it's been the last few days, clear sky, not clear skies, we have some high cirrus clouds, but we are clear of precip. You're going to have to head up all the way up into upstate New York to see some flurry action. But other than that, we've been fairly quiet. Our Futurecast shows exactly that, sunny skies for the next couple days. But here's our national satellite radar. This is what I want to talk about as far as next week's storm is concerned. You can see now the storm moving onshore as we speak in parts of California. But as time moves on, it will get its act together significantly. Snow and ice storm underway across parts of New Mexico and the Texas Panhandle as we head into early in the day on Saturday. And look at parts of eastern Texas, anywhere from Dallas all the way down to Brownsville, Texas. That's some heavy rain, perhaps some severe weather. We're going to have to keep an eye on that and see what happens. But as time moves on, the heavy rain moves across the Gulf Coast states. The snowfall continues across Oklahoma and eventually into parts of Missouri. And finally, early in the day on Sunday, we have a snowstorm underway across parts of Kentucky, West Virginia, and parts in the southern mid-Atlantic region. This could be a big snowstorm for them. Again, right now it looks like it will be staying in that region. We'll keep you posted on that. Heavy rain continues anywhere from Florida into Atlanta. But as I mentioned before, this storm looks like it is trending south. Looks like the heavy snow will stay across the Carolinas and Virginia. So look at our overnight conditions. We have a low temperature of 25 degrees with decreasing clouds. And as I step away here for our 7-day forecast, we have a high temperature tomorrow of 37 degrees and sunny skies. Another cold weekend ahead, but sunny as well. And the sunshine continues as we head into next week. It's going to be a cold next couple of weeks, but I'm not tracking any big storm system until the 15th or 16th of December here. But for now, Rutgers, tune in every 15 minutes at RUTV. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out on Twitter. And finally, check us out on YouTube. Rutgers, I'm WeatherWacther Alex Fonseca, and hope you have a great day as always.